Diana Olick is very patiently standing by. The recovery in commercial real estate just took a turn for the worse. Diana Olick with some exclusive new data on the recent CRE deals in today's property play. Good morning.
Good morning, Andrew. Yeah, October was the first month that CRE deal volume growth went negative year over year since the post-Fed rate hike recovery began early last year. Now, this is according to monthly data provided by Moody's exclusively to CNBC's Property Play. Now, it tracks the top 50 CRE property sales across the U.S. Deal volume growth turned positive in the early part of last year and was even approaching pre-COVID levels by year end. The slip to negative growth in October 2025 reflects the stalemate going on between buyers and sellers. That, according to Moody's head of CRE capital markets research, Kevin Fagan, who pointed to persistently high interest rates as well as policy and economic uncertainty this year. Now, October was still an active month with $24.4 billion in sales, which is roughly 70% of October 2019 sales, but the momentum of growth has slowed significantly since 2023. Looking at specific property trends, industrial and multifamily led the top 50 deals. The only sector to improve in deal volume compared with last year was hotels, with 6% growth after a negative Q3. Now, one notable sale, the New York Edition Hotel at 5 Madison Avenue, was sold for $231.2 million by Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, a sovereign wealth fund, to the Kamsang Company, a real estate development firm. It was an office-to-hotel conversion back in 2013, and that just shows you how much more value that move can now add given the pandemic office shakeout. Multifamily saw the biggest pullback in October, down 27% from last year. It had been showing higher than pre-COVID volumes in the 4 months before. And despite the pullback, buildings were mostly trading at a premium to previous sales. Now, for much more on this story and another interesting piece on 3D printed commercial real estate, it's all in the Property Play newsletter. It just dropped. You can still get yours, cnbc.com/property play. Back to you guys.